Hey girl, hey, your favorite shopaholic is back, sharing some new crochet hair from a company I never tried before, but ended up really loving. This company is KRN, and they did send me the Burmese Curly in 24" in the natural black color, and I did get 4 packs. So I started off on freshly washed hair. I added my Olaplex oil into my hair just to make sure my hair was nicely hydrated because I am going to be doing a cornrow style. Then I went in with my 2 products that I always use on every braid style I do, which is my pink oil, and that is from Luster's, and my Bronner Brothers hair grease. And then for the edge control this time, I did use the Edge Luxe, and you get that from Amazon or from Walmart, and I'll leave links down in the description box down below for the hair and all the products that I'm using. So I did decide to do a creative cornrow style on the front half of my head, and then I just did regular crochet on the back. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys get into this braid style that I did and just show you exactly how I made the parts and did the braids, and then I'll come back and let you know my final thoughts on this crochet hair. So yes, you guys, this is the end result. This is how the hair came out after I added leave-in conditioner, water, and some styling mousse. This is about 80% dry. It's not 100% dry, but about 80%. And the hair is gorgeous. It was so easy to style, so easy to detangle. It was easy to install. It's beautiful, thick, high quality hair that just looks beautiful, and it's perfect for this summer season. You wet it and forget it and let it air dry, or use a diffuser, and it's beautiful. Highly recommend this hair. If you guys have questions, leave it in the comments down below. I'll be sure to tag everything that I used and leave links to this hair so that you guys can check it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.